Chika Minute, Donnie Pangilinan, inalala pagsisimula ng Dondel bagong I Want maraming pasabog. Binalikan ni Donnie Pangilinan ang pagsabak nila ni Bel Mariano sa seryeng His Into Her na unang ipinalabas sa I Want noong 2021. Isa si Donnie sa mga celebrities na sumusuporta sa launching ng all-new I Want app kamakailan na ginanap sa Dolby Theater sa loob ng ABS-CBN Network Building sa Quezon City. Ayon kay Donnie, hindi niya raw makakalimutan ang unang series nila ni Bel na naging daan para magbukas ang napakaraming opportunities para sa kanila. Kwento ni Donnie, noong 2019, pre-pandemic nang sumabak sila sa Locktes hanggang sa mag-taping na sila at ipalabas sa I Want ang hit series nilang His Into Her. That was a crazy time, 2021. I'm really proud of the whole team kasi we were a bunch of kids. I mean, it was a really young group and we had a lot of people guiding us. Syempre, yung I Want, ABS, Star Magic managers namin, everyone pagbabahagi ng aktor. But the fact that they've put us out there and they were willing to risk, everyone, the producers, they were willing to risk money and time just to put up a really good adaptation on screen. Sobrang nakakakaba. Syempre nakaka-pressure nung time na yon. Pero kami kasi sobrang G kami. Yun nga kasi bata pa kami like we were super G to do anything. Anya pa. At nang magkaroon ng COVID-19 pandemic, nagtigil ang taping ng His Into Her. Nag-shoot na kami ng first half, so if you guys would notice, yung mga ibang episodes namin, iba talaga yung mga itsura namin, sobra. Yung iba nag-mature na, nagpalaki ako ng katawan, tapos yung ibang characters hindi na rin pwede. There was a shift talaga. Akala ko nga nung nag-stop kami, pull out na yung show, pack up na, kasi syempre ang hirap naman nun. 1 year break, tapos babalik kayo. But hindi, I really believe in it and the whole team, so I'm very glad to be a part of it. Pagbabalik tanaw ni Donnie. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, what I love about I Want talaga in ABS, of course, is they always find a way to reinvent themselves and dito na talaga pupunta yung future natin. Diba? Online, digital space. And there's so much room for everyone. So if you ask me for advice, just focus on your craft. I'm still learning every day. Saad pa ng binata. Samantala, bagong mukha at mas pinalawak ng pagpipilian ang mga palabas mula sa telebisyon, pelikula at online series ang hatid ng bagong I Want, ang home of Filipino feels.